guys, it's Sam and Alex, and we are back again with day 12 of Insanity Max 30. We just finished our second round of Friday Fight, and this is actually the third video we've made. We were trying to do it on the phone like we normally do, and we got phone calls, and it screwed everything up. So we have our spiel pretty down pat at this point. So really today we wanted to tell you a couple things. One, today was all about form and focus for us. Form was what took us out. Form was what made us both max out today. For me, I made it a minute or 2.5 minutes longer than normal. Last week I maxed out at 3 minutes. Today I maxed out at 5:37. Super proud of that today. I did modify the high knee jabs. I didn't last week, but I started to really feel them in my knees this week, and I personally want to make it the whole 60 days. So I decided that I was going to take a step back. Even Alex told me today I may have taken it a little too far, but I got a little crazy today. So maybe I did, maybe I didn't. I don't know. Anywho, so today I really wanted to make it to 3:15. Before we started, I looked at Alex and I was like, 3:15 or death. Like, I had to make it to that 3:15 mark. I was going to push, no matter what it took. And I ended up making it farther than that. I ended up getting to that 4.5 minute mark, 5 minute mark maybe, where, I think it's 4 minutes, where Shaun T says, okay, the warm-up's over, now the fight begins. And it was all of a sudden, like, I got this whole new rush of energy. Like, I've never made it past the warm-up in this workout, and it was like, bam, here I am, I'm ready to go. And I started dancing around and making crazy faces and crazy noises and really letting the music, like, fuel me and acting like Shaun T was right there next to me talking to me, and it just pushed me farther into the workout, and it was awesome. But ultimately, my downfall was the hop hop runners. I just, on the very last one, lost my form, I lost my balance, and it took me down. And that, as soon as you lose that form, that's got to be your max out time. You've got to be honest with yourself. I know that's what took Alex out today, too. Why don't you tell us that?
Yeah, today I went no modification, straight up, hard, as fast as I could, and that really took me out. The high knee jabs, they are rough, because you got to make sure that you're, going 90 degrees. Your chest is out, your knees are straight out, and you're jabbing as hard as you can, not letting your arms drop, because you're punching straight out. You're not going here, straight out. You need to keep that form and find your punch with an end, not just flailing out there.
Absolutely.
Shaun says punch with a purpose, so, you got to keep going. And that second round, first round was just like going as hard as I can, and it just took me out on the second round. I just had to stop because my knees started to drop, and it just wasn't good. So, the biggest thing today was just that taking me out. Mm-hmm. So I made it to 3 minutes. Last week I made it 3:20, but I modified those both the times. So, this time was really, it felt good because I didn't modify. I was able to keep up with everybody and just go as hard. But that was my big thing today, is going as hard and as fast as I can. Because, last week going into Friday Fight, it's definitely different than some of the other exercises because it's not choreography. And Shaun tells you that. Friday Fight isn't about choreography. It's about fighting as hard and as fast as you can. It's like a fight. If you're moving at the same time as your opponent, you're losing. You gotta go fast as you can. It's not choreography this week. You get the move down, and you go as fast and as hard as you can. One of the big things today that was a big help for us was, noticing little things the second time around for some of the moves. Like something that was always challenging for me were those plank punches. Because, Shaun says, keep your body still, don't roll. But something that I had to take a second while, I was just taking a little break in child's pose looking up, is with that punch, there's an oblique pull. You're doing like a little tiny side oblique to keep yourself going straight. And noticing little things like that, making sure you're watching Shaun the first time around, makes such a big difference because you can keep your form up. Like today, I felt those so hard because I added that little oblique and I didn't roll. Mm-hmm. So it was awesome. It's a great feeling. You got to make sure you're doing your form right.
Friday Fight is it's like a fist fight between your mind and your body, you guys. You have to mentally show up. You can't just let, like, walk into Friday Fight going, oh, I guess I'm going to work out now. Like, no, you have whatever it takes to get yourself psyched, to get yourself riled up, whether you're pissed off at something, whether you're stoked to just go and go your hardest and work out and make this happen, whether it's,
you took too much E&E.
You took too much E&E, which may have been my problem today. You know, or you are after that body that you want. You're after that level of fitness. Whatever it is that gets you psyched, do it for Friday Fight, because you have to mentally show up for this one. And it's a fist fight between your body and your mind. And you know what? Today I am so proud that my mind won out. Even after my form got bad, I took a break. It was about 30 seconds break. I had to stretch. My calves were like dead. But I took that 30 seconds and I came back and I didn't stop again until the water break, which is at like 15 minutes. And that, like, I stood up and I could have, like, I didn't, but I probably should have, like, been like, ah! Like, I felt like she-warrior, because I was so proud of how hard I went today. But I want to bring up two other things. One more thing, is that don't get discouraged, you guys, if you max out earlier in a workout than you did the week before. That's not a bad thing. Yes, you want your max out time to go up. You want to see that you're doing more, that you're going harder for longer. But in those first few weeks especially, like, measure your week 1 against your week 4. Don't worry about the weeks in between, because here's what's going to happen. You're going to get stronger, you're going to get faster, you're going to be able to go harder, longer. So like Alex did today, he was able to take away that modification and go full out today. He maxed out sooner than he did last week. So you went from, what,
20-ish?
3:20 back to about 3 minutes, right? So he maxed out earlier, but he took the modifications away. That just means he was going harder, which is a good thing. That means he's able to do more because he's getting stronger. Just like Shanti says, that you have to go at your pace. You have to push your hardest, go your best, not stay with him, not stay with Danielle, not stay with all the other people in the video. You do what you can do. Alex did what he could do today, and he went harder and faster, and he did more in that 3 minutes than he did last week, and that's what counts.
Because Friday Fight is awesome in that way. You do as hard and as much as you can. You got to remember that, because each one of these workouts has their own little things that make it unique and make your body work hard.
Absolutely.
Friday Fight, it's fighting with your mind and going as hard as your body will let you.
Absolutely. When we finish this program, I'm going to go back to day 1 and start over, because I don't think I'll ever be able to max out at this program, like at the full 30 minutes, ever. I don't foresee that in my future ever. Because here's the thing, it's not about making it the whole 30 minutes. If that's what you're making it about, you're doing it wrong. The point isn't to make it the whole 30 minutes. The point is to go as hard, as long as you can. And you know what? If Shanti maxes out, your butt better be maxing out. That's
even you know, some of the crazy people like Darren in the back row, you know, Miss Danielle's husband, who has like crazy 6-pack, has arms, you know, these giant guns, and he's maxing out anywhere from, I think, I forget what the shortest one I've seen him at, but it's still in like the 12s. To, I think one of his longer ones was like 21 something.
Dude, Danielle has been with Shanti since Insanity. She has helped Max 30 become what it is. She's been a part of it since its inception. She is a modifier and she maxes out. Your butt better be maxing out, people. You better be pushing as hard as you can, not going for that 30 minutes, because that's not what this workout's about. You max out, you go your hardest, you take a second, find your life, and then come back and you push as hard as you can again. I don't care if you max out 12 times or 20 times or twice in this workout, but you better be maxing out at least once. So I think that's all we have for you today. We will be back tomorrow with round 2 of Pulse and round 3 of Ab Attack. And next week we start the extra ab workouts, 360 and max out abs, and we're stoked for that. We better have I'm on washboard 6-pack by the time we're done with this. I'm excited, and in 2 days we're gonna have our week 2 results for you guys, and I'm so excited about this program, and I want to again invite you guys to join us.
Information below. You can email, find us on Facebook.
Instagram.
the
We're
whole,
everywhere.
the
We're
whole
freaking
9 yards.
everywhere.
You got the links below. Contact us. Even
Yeah.
if you just have questions or just want to chat, just need some support,
Absolutely.
reach out.
Definitely.
We're here for you.
All right, kids.
Peace.
See ya.